Hello, YouTube viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in. Good morning, and I am still in bed. I am looking up at the ceiling, and I am afraid to look out because they have declared a state of emergency because of the snowstorm. And right now it is 8:51. 8:51. My hubby is already up. He should be downstairs. He usually makes his own breakfast. And I usually stay in bed. Right now, as you can see, the curtains are closed. I'm still in bed here. I like to sleep with this robe plus the quilt. The robe, for some reason, makes me feel more cozy. So anyway, yes, once I open those curtains, I will see how it is outside, but I know for sure that it has started to snow. And it's going to snow all day. Tomorrow is Monday, so I will be working remote tomorrow. And I'm going to do my thing, brush my teeth, take a shower, and then I'll work my way down. So yes, this is my dark room in the morning. You know what's funny? That I don't even feel like getting up. Usually when you don't have to get up to go to work, you don't want to get up. I feel so lazy right now. But I am going to get up. It just takes some time sometimes. Now, what would I eat for breakfast? I might make some pancakes. Yep, because maybe my hubby is just downstairs and hasn't made breakfast yet. So, if I go downstairs early enough, I'll make the pancakes. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. So there's the bathroom over there, the bathroom door. All right, so again, it's 8:54. So why don't we get up? I'm going to show you first how it looks outside, and then I'll work my way to the bathroom to brush my teeth and take a shower. I would love to stay sleeping right now. Oh, it feels so good being in bed. Oh. All right, let me get up. So now I'm going to open the curtains and you'll be able to see the snow, but with the screen, I'm not sure if you can see it clear. So what I'm going to do is I'll go downstairs and I'll show you from downstairs. There's a clear window in which you can see everything. But anyway, so, alrighty, are you ready for the show? Are you ready? Whoa, look at that. Now you see, can you tell that there's a screen here? I'm going to take you to a window that's more clear, where there isn't, actually in the bathroom window. But look at that, everything is white. This here is the first little roof right there. That's my neighbor's house over there. All right, you know what? Why don't I take you to the back? It just feels so peaceful and it all looks so pretty. So let's go to the bathroom. excuse me. Okay. So this is the window. Let me go into the hot tub here. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? Look at the difference. Since there's a screen on the other window, you couldn't really see so clear. Doesn't it look beautiful? The snow untouched. Looks beautiful. Well, it's going to be like this all day. All day. So tomorrow, Monday, is really the cleanup day. And they even mentioned that, you know, we might lose power, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. I'm going to go brush my teeth now, take a shower, work my way down, make the pancakes, and, you know, just do stuff around, maybe a few videos, maybe put a few loads of clothing to wash. And I cooked yesterday, so I don't have to cook today. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.